Hey guys, welcome to Monday Night Football, the last game until not next Sunday, but the Sunday after. So today we have the Arizona Cardinals going up against the Baltimore Ravens. So for Arizona, they have an 80 overall, and they tied with the 49ers last game because their last game sucked, so it was a delay of game. The game was delayed, so they don't have a win or a loss, so this game is important to them. So they better win this game. For the Cardinals, they have an 81 overall, and they beat the Panthers last week. So let's get started. The Panthers actually played last night in a game against the Jacksonville Jaguars and took the game. If you want to go check it out, it's yesterday's video. Go check it out. After this one, of course. You're probably gonna want to be able to chat in the live chat with me. So, but I might not be there, but I might also, because this game is premiering at 6:30. So let's get this game started. So stay tuned to watch the bird fight. Yesterday was the cat fight. Today is the bird fight. Let's see some birds fight. Remember this game. Remember, no games next week. Next week is our bye week. We're just gonna over. There, yeah. I'm gonna have it overcast, and Monday Night Football is underway. If you know what my favorite animal is, comment it in the live chat or the comments down below if you're not watching this live. I have never mentioned it on this channel before, and I will mention it, and I will tell you what the answer is at the end of this video, so do it in the comments instead. And if you're right, I will go subscribe to your channel if you're right, so do it in the comments down below. And I will go subscribe to your channel if you are correct. Welcome to Monday Night Football. Today we will see the visiting Arizona Cardinals take on the hosting Baltimore Ravens in Baltimore, Maryland for Monday Night Football. And we are here at the Ravens Stadium for today's football game. We will see the visiting Arizona Cardinals face off against the Baltimore Ravens. Just kidding. The Cardinals are currently not Arizona anymore. They will be in the future, but in my league, they're actually Chicago, and I didn't tell you. So the Chicago Cardinals going up against the Baltimore Ravens. They're currently Chicago. Just throwing that out there. They share with the Bears. And Cardinals will get the ball first. This game is underway here in Baltimore. And Cardinals quarterback will be coming out to the 25-yard line. The Cardinals will be led out by Phillip Rivers, number 17, who last week was on the Chargers but is now on the Cardinals. The Cardinals and the Chargers had a little trade, and so did the Ravens and the Steelers. So you'll see who the Ravens quarterback is. You probably already guessed it. And by the way, this game wasn't made when Lamar Jackson was on the Ravens. It was made when Joe Falco was on the Ravens, not when Lamar Jackson was. First and 10, ball at the 25-yard line. First play of this Monday Night Football game. And they're going to run it. Gains about 4 yards on the play. Let's take a look at this Cardinals offense. Not much to see here. I don't really know any of these players, so I'm not really. So, over the top about the Chicago Cardinals. Second and 6. Ball at the 29-yard line. I thought maybe turn the sponsors back on. I don't know if I accidentally turned them off, like Snickers and Gatorade. But then I thought maybe I'll bring up copyright, so I decided not to do it. And it's going for a first down. There's a little replay. Number 18 gets the ball from Rivers. First and 10. Ball at the 37-yard line. And this quarter is over. Here in Baltimore, Maryland, Cardinals ball, score 0-0. We'll be right back on Monday Night Football. And we are back. Don't listen to those commentators that got fired. I took over to let that to you guys every game until you memorize it. I am the new commentator. Corey Miller is the new commentator. Alright? Charles Davis and Brendan Gaughan got fired. First and 10, ball at the 37-yard line for Arizona. Rivers will take a shot at it, and it's incomplete. Second down, Arizona. No, not Arizona, sorry. Chicago. Second down, Chicago. If I keep saying Arizona, I'm sorry, but they're Chicago currently. Fun fact, the Cardinals are actually the oldest team in the NFL. Just throwing that out there. They're the only team name that's remained since the first season. Second and 10, ball at the 37-yard line, which is now at the 45-yard line. Third down, Chicago. See, said it right that time. I just gotta get used to it like that. Next season they will be St. Louis, and the season after they will build their nest in Arizona. So Arizona currently does not have a team. Chicago has 2 teams. Florida has 3 teams. New York has 3 teams. And I think all the other states have 1 team. Third and 2. Unless they have 0 teams. Third and 2, ball at the 25-yard line. He'll take a shot at it. It's caught for the first down. Chicago picking up some first downs right there. Still on their own side of the field. So that's not really. Chicago is doing good right now. They're not doing bad at all. Let's hope they keep it that way. Against this Baltimore defense, at least. First and 10. Ball at the 48-yard line. He will take a shot at it. It is caught. First down. Remember, this is AFL versus NFL week. First and 10. Ball at the 38-yard line in enemy territory. Rivers takes a shot at it. It's caught. First down. All the way down to the 24-yard line. Chicago is on the move. 15. Not much time left in the first half. I think that might have been the final play of the first half. They need to call a timeout right here to stop the clock. Or spike it, but I don't think they have time to spike it. They are dumb not to go for the field goal right now. 1st and 10, ball at the 24-yard line. Rivers, you're crazy, and we'll take a shot at it. Immediately stops. It's halftime. We'll see you back in just a couple seconds. You're watching. I don't know what you're watching, but okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go. Alright. Cardinals will actually be kicking it to the Ravens. And the second half is underway. Vanessa's crying for some reason. Vanessa, I'll save it for you, okay? Look, I'm saving it. See? I saved it. Okay? I saved it. Did I miss the quarterback introduction? I'm sorry, but the quarterback is Ben Roethlisberger. He used to be on the Steelers. Number 6. Good. 1st and 10. Ball at the 25-yard line. Vanessa, stop crying. And there's a flag on the field. It's going to be on the Ravens.
Holding offense.
Yep.
Still 1st down.
1st and 20. First and 10. Ball at the Ravens' 15-yard line. And they gain about a yard on the play. 2nd down. They have not made up for their yardage yet. 2nd and 19. Ball at the 16-yard line. They're going to try to run it. Gain about 5 yards on that play, I think. No. They gained more than 5 yards. 3rd down, Baltimore. This is definitely the battle of the birds. Seeing those purple and red jerseys out there. You can definitely tell the difference between the two teams. They are definitely wearing different colors. And the 4th quarter will start in just a moment. 0-0 is our score, if you can believe it. Here on Monday Night Football, aka the Battle of the Birds. That was Ben Roethlisberger's helmet, I think. Do you guys like Ben Roethlisberger on the Ravens? Leave your answer in the comments below, and make sure time is running. The answer for the question on the video, in the comments. What is my favorite animal? Roethlisberger will take a shot at it on third down. It's caught in enemy territory. First down. I almost said Arizona, but Baltimore. First down, Baltimore. Up. They're putting a booth review up there.
Previous play is under review.
Oh, that's a challenge by the Chicago. I think the play on the field should stand. Let's see what it is. It stands.
After review of the play, the ruling on the field stands.
Well, I thought that was a challenge by the Cardinals. Apparently not, because they still have all 3 timeouts. So do the Ravens. No timeouts have been used this half. First down, first and 10, ball at the 42-yard line in the red zone. And they'll try to run it, but they can't. Next Ravens game is an away game in Philadelphia against the Eagles. As for the Cardinals, they play against their rivals, the Steelers, next week. As Roethlisberger and Falco will meet. And he runs it straight through the first down marker. Oh, third down in inches. Wow, okay. Did not know that. Third down in inches. So the Ravens will play the Eagles, not next week, but the week after, because next week there are no games. Because it's our bye week, our week off. And the Chicago Cardinals, I think, are going to play at home against, who did I say? Forgot who I said. Third and inches, ball at the 32-yard line. Alright, they play against the Oilers. I just remembered the schedule. It's the Oilers. And first down, Baltimore. And also timeout, Baltimore. I think that's the first timeout of the half. We might be on our way to over... Oh, that's their second. That's their second of the half. 1 remaining. I think we might be on our way to overtime. Or if they can get a field goal, they can save us from overtime here on a Monday night. Oh, wait, no. The Ravens don't play the Whalers. No, they don't. They play the Steelers. First and 10. Ball at the 30-yard line. Immediately stopped. No gain. Second down. They're about to catch up to the Cardinals on plays. They are in field goal range. They could kick a field goal. They might want to. This game is going to overtime. Oh, never mind. 2 seconds on the clock. I think they're going to want to score a field goal here. We'll be right back. Never mind, we're staying here. I think they're going to want to score a 30-yard field goal right here. Or at least attempt to. Here in the Battle of the Birds for Monday Night Football. Go watch the Cats fight from last night. It was definitely better than this game. 30-yard field goal attempt, and they call a timeout to ice the kicker, Chicago. And make sure to watch Chicago's next game against Philadelphia in Philadelphia. And the Ravens' next game in Pittsburgh against the Steelers. No timeouts remaining for Baltimore. 2 remaining for Arizona. I mean, not Arizona, I keep saying that. Chicago. Remember, no games next week. But the week after, there will be games. Once more. 2nd and 10 for a 30-yard field goal attempt for the win. And the game is over. 3-0 was the score. Ravens win the Battle of the Birds. What a game here on a Monday night. And that's the last game. Well, I will be releasing one more game. I will be releasing one more game on Thursday for week 4. That's just one more game. Just one game. It'll be a Thursday night game for week 4. This Thursday. Not week 4. Week 3. Week 3. Thursday night football game. It will be... Wait, what will it be? I don't know. I don't know what it's... I don't know what it's gonna be. Oh, yes. Yes. Now I remember. It will be the New York Jets. Jets versus the visiting Buffalo Bills. No, it won't. Never mind. I forgot what it's gonna be. I keep forgetting what it's gonna be. I'm gonna sit here until I think it through. What's gonna be? I forgot. I keep forgetting. What's Thursday night gonna be for week 4? No, got it. Oh yeah, Denver at Miami. That's what it's gonna be. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on Thursday. Peace.